How to cheaply make a Lamborghini Huracan replica from scratch with no skills. Client approached me with a request to make electronic drawings for him to build a replica Lamborghini Huracan on his own. I am made precise drawings of the body and interior, as well as small auxiliary sections for more detailed body assembly. And prepared 3D files for printing on a 3D printer. My client printed electronic drawings on an office printer and glued them. After that, he transferred paper drawings to woodboard sheets and cut them out. More detailed step-by-step video instruction of all stages of construction are on my channel. For start, he decided to assemble the front part of the car buck. It's like Lego, but for men. It turned out great. Next, he filled the space between the sections with foam and, after drying, leveled the car buck surface. He did the same with the rear part. After making sure it was as easy as Lego, he put together a one-piece car buck. Anyone without experience can do this. He also filled the space between the sections with foam. Then he applied several layers of putty to the car buck surface and, after drying, smoothed the surface with sandpaper. Next, he prepared the car buck surface for further work with fiberglass. If this is not done, then the fiberglass details will strongly adhere to the car buck surface. After that, he began working with fiberglass and made body parts, which he will bring to perfection in the future. But I recommend to all my clients to make the perfect car buck, then the body will be perfect. Now the main task was the choice of chassis for body installation. I combined the models in 3D and the client bought a Mitsubishi Eclipse as a donor car. The excess was cut from the donor car and the body was put on this chassis. At the moment the project is at this stage. To be continued.
Welcome.